Here's the code review. Here's the bird script. So every time you have a mouse down, there's a force applied up. This one here, which is 100. When it dies, it glides into the ground from this function here. And it calls this public function of game control, bird died, which is this one here. Repeating background. See, the ground moves left one panel, and this is where the update is called. And it's positioned, it moves when this if statement is true. The columns is an array of 5. Where's the 5? 5 columns. Each one gets indexed into an array. When the time delta expires, which is up here. No, it's not there. It's somewhere. The next column is brought into the main view, and it gets incremented here. And when it reaches 5, it goes back to 0 and increments next time. The game control is a singleton, so it's only active, there's only one instance of it. When the bird dies, this gets called by the bird function, I think. And when the bird scores, the text gets incremented right here.